welcome again to our
channel.
Today I will show to you one of the learning fun activity of my children. Here is now. They were assemble the jigsaw puzzle consisting of 100 pieces of different shapes of the puzzle. So, are you ready?
Yeah, let's start!
Okay, watch guys. Simple jigsaw puzzle help children develop finger strength, perseverance, and problem-solving skills.
No.
Picking up,
I think this one
moving,
says
twisting the pieces of a puzzle helps children to develop finger strength and hand-eye coordination.
monkey. What? Monkey. It's a monkey? Yeah. I'll puzzle this. I think I'm gonna puzzle the first monkey.
10 reasons why jigsaw puzzles are good for children. 1. Hand-eye coordination.
Oh my god.
The ability to coordinate what eye sees, the mind wants to do.
Oh, the monkey. I got the puzzle. I found it. You found it again? All the monkeys. I think this one will connect here. We'll put this here.
2. Fine motor skills. They can grasp,
I do have
hang,
some space.
and hold onto them.
Got it. I have here. You assemble it? Yeah, I'm assembling now. Because this one fits.
Reason number 3.
He's gonna win.
Memory
Yeah.
and cognitive skills.
Oh,
They figure out how to put the puzzle together.
Where's the monkey? Assemble. You want to assemble it? Here. Pointing to the monkey. Okay. Where's the monkey? God. I found all this. Please have some space. Please, can you assemble it?
Number 4. Problem solving and self-correcting. Solving problems requires creativity and patience. The act of manipulating each pieces, turning it, and testing the fit is a great exercise in problem solving.
Let me assemble it. And right here now. Let me assemble here. I know this is will put right over here. Check. Just have them to check. And over here. And this way. You to assemble it. Yeah. There. This is assemble. Where's the monkey? Here you go. Then where's the handle over here? I think might go here. This will go right. Can't find anything. I think here. more. Oh, found it. Yeah, found it. Oh no, I can't put it. Where else should I put it? Oh, here. This one. This must be good. More monkey. Oh, gosh. Found it. I'm missing a blue bird. Missing a blue bird? Well, find it. Where's the eyes? Mom, where's the eyes? Go find the eyes. You need to find the eyes. There's some cloud and some monkeys. I found it.
Number 5. Improve concentration and patience. Completing a puzzle requires focus for long period of time.
A tree. Need a tree here. Need a tree. Found it. I think 100 pieces. Oh my god. See, it's so broken. No. This will go right here. One shot. Let's do it one shot. I got some more. This will go right here. One shot.
Number 6. Objectives and goals. Kids learn to categorize and organize pieces into colors and specific shapes.
I think I know where it is. Need a symbol to put it here. Just put this here. Just count anything I want. This one go here. No, this one go here.
Number 7. Shape recognition. Help child to identify and distinguish different shapes.
What? Found it. I found this. I found it. I think I found it. Found it. Turn it here. We're almost done, Mom. Actually, that's we're almost done. Yeah. I'm happy now because we're almost done. Oh, I think next is a cheetah. Maybe it's maybe first is a chicken. Oh, no. Okay, look at me.
Number 8.
Oh, let's put this here.
Learning new things. Help child develop new interest.
Take it right over shoulder. Thanks. Nope.
social skills. This is a great way to connect with other kids and for them to enjoy spending time with siblings and friends. It promotes teamwork.
No, look at me. This is a lot in zebra. Okay, put it down so we have space. No, here. Whoa, this need more for that size. Have in here. I almost found something. Ah, I need this one for ears. No, it's not ears. We're almost done, okay? Yeah. We're almost.
Number
Effie,
10.
no!
Self-esteem.
What?
Completing a puzzle helps child to build the self-confidence and sense of accomplishments which boost independence.
I'm just flicking this. We're almost done with the puzzle. Okay, then this one, maybe. No. Oh my gosh, the ropes. Ate, it fall. It fall. We need space for this one.
Again,
Something is
10
fall.
reasons why jigsaw puzzles
Let's put
are
this
good for
here.
kids.
We have space.
Number 1. Hand-eye
Let
coordination.
me make
2.
it right here.
Fine motor skills.
Oh,
3. Memory and cognitive skills. Number 4.
putting this
Problem solving
here.
and
Good
self-correcting.
job. I think this
Number
one
5.
will be here.
Improve concentration and patience.
This one.
Number 6.
Don't-
Objectives and goals.
There.
Number 7.
One down here.
Shape recognition.
This here.
Number 8. Learning new things.
Or
And lastly,
puzzle it.
self-esteem.
Where are
So, let's let our children
we're done,
learn
guys.
puzzle.
Look.
Then we
This
have
is the giraffe.
one,
And this is the zebra. This is
two,
lion and a tiger. This is an elephant, and this is a crocodile, and this is a cheetah. And this is I hope you enjoy to our